Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Sunday the 19th. Hopefully everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. We made it. Today is a new week coming up. And we have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Of course, you guys can get one at a low cost. All you gotta do is click on the link, check them out, and see what they have to offer. Here we go. This month is moving on pretty fast. Here we go. And they have to offer us alright. What do we have here? What is this? PIR LED body sensor night light. Whoa. Kind of like motion light. It seems to be. Whoa, focus. And action. There we go. Alrighty. That was so weird. It came out good once, and there we go. Huh. This got LED light source, sensor range 110 degrees. Alright. Pretty simple. And let's pop this thing open. There we go. And whoop. Boom. Alright, we got everything. Oh, look at this USB. And we got some screws and all that good stuff, mounting brackets. But I'm not sure where I'm going to mount this yet, so we'll figure it out somewhere. Let's see what this thing looks like. Oh, that's nice. Nice and compact. An extra light in your closet, your man cave. There's a switch, off, auto. Oh, batteries. Do not open. Storage model. Huh? Not sure what that's supposed to mean, but I think the batteries go in here. But kinda, you know what? Ow. I think it should work. Got the USB. Oh. Extension. Alright. Maybe it needs to be juiced up. Let me try plug it into my USB hub. Of course, you guys can get one. Check them out. And let's see what this thing can do. Alright, 1 sec. Let me charge this thing up. Alright. I'm going to turn the lights off. There we go. And boom. Show me the light. We got the light. That kind of looks like hanging down on your closet. Gives you enough room. So maybe a backlight. It's pretty bright though. It's not blinding, so that's good. But it needs to be juiced up, so I'm going to juice it up a little bit longer. And that's about it. So check them out, YouTubers, if you guys want to get one of these motion lights for your closet, your shoe closets, all that good stuff. Maybe a display case, you could add these on for your gaming collections, your Funko Pops, autographs. Have a couple of these showing. Really nice. Alright, YouTubers, check them out. Link is to be down below. Be safe and have a good one.